Guys, sorry, hindi pala ongali.
Wrong ano ka.
Wrong information.
Oo, pabasadit.
Hindi ko nakita ang ano sign. Nakita ko lang kainan sa Kamalig. So, okay, this is kainan sa Kamalig here in Tukdaw. Hello guys, welcome back. Kami ay mamasyal ngayon gamit ang sasakyan ng pamangkin. Ayan. Asawa ko ang mag-drive for the first time. Here in my village, Belia Cornejo. Maganda na yung widening, malaki na yung road. Yes, the road is big now, it's wide, more space. Ayan guys, so mamasyal kami, mag-dinner kami, magsaungali. Ayan guys, sige mag-hill na kayo. Ito yung dalawang pamangkin, anak ng pamangkin ko. Ito yung sasakyan namin. So ito yung my village. You know how? Kamo na siya. Belia Cornejo. This is my hometown, Belia Cornejo. We have a nice road now here. 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes. But they are still working, the widening, road widening, still working on it. It's not done yet.
Uy!
Doon din siya. Dati ba na siya mo drive? Isa. Ayan guys. Punta na kami sa Ungali. Roads anong speed limit din lang? Ha? Speed limit. Okay, we're in Mapuyo. Welcome to Kainan sa Kamalig. You probably heard of us. Here. We're here now in Kamalig. Kainan sa Kamalig here in Ongalig. Yeah. There's a restaurant over here in Ongalig. There's a restaurant over there. Yeah. Let's go. This is our second time here. Kainan sa Kamalig. Last year, nandito kami last year. So today, 2026, we also we're here for vacation. So our second time. And Kamalig. Kainan sa Kamalig here in Ongalig. Guys, sorry, hindi pala Ongalig.
Wrong ano ka.
Wrong information.
Oo, pabasa dito.
Hindi ko nakita ang ano sign. Nakita ko lang Kainan sa Kamalig. So, okay, this is Kainan sa Kamalig here in Tukdaw.
Boundary talk daw and just ano, nipa.
Okay. Ang bilis natin dumating dito.
Oo.
Tukdaw, malapit lang pala.
Siyempre, sakyan puro wheels, pero kung ano,
Oh,
si Vince ka.
Tukdaw pala guys yung
Yan,
Kainan sa
uy,
Kamalig.
lagi
If you wanna check it out, come here in Kainan sa Kamalig here in Tukdaw. This is their restaurant. Very nice. Open the door, Liam.
Ano sabi
Oh,
mo?
damog mga bags.
We just sit somewhere or what?
You can pick wherever you wanna sit.
How do we do it?
Oh, excuse me. Ikaw, pwede rin. The ocean, by the ocean? By the ocean na lang. So here's guys, this is their place.
Alam ko man ka, ano ko dapat muna.
Dito na sa ano, Kamalig. Hello, Kamalig. Japanese. This is their place here. By the beach. Kainan sa Kamalig. Do you wanna sit Japanese style? This is a Japanese style.
Japanese.
No.
No, that's like that. Because that's Japanese.
Or you wanna sit over there? Wala. So guys, ito na yung pagkain namin. We have lechon, kawali, chop soy, and mixed seafood. Mixed seafood, chop soy, lechon kawali, and sinigang shrimp coming up. Guys, here.
Ayaw, diya ka walang kuranan diya. Di ka makatapat kaya ang
Asa man ka mo lingkod? Namay lingkuran din na sa harapan. Hamay ang stool. Gikuha ang stool. Gikuha.
Sandali lang. Swimming.
And here's our sinigang na shrimp, lechon kawali,
Mia and Lia.
mixed seafood, and chop soy. Sarap.
Hindi ka na lang gawin ka opo. Yun. Ako naman ka.
Here's our mango shake.
Pasaway ka.
Oh, thank you. Our mango floats and mango
Day,
shake.
iboy na ba siya usa day. Usa ka inani.
Gusto niya meron palang sarili niya. Pasaway.